Nathan, and I'm gonna show you how to make a flying fidget spinner. So first you gotta take the caps off the bearing, and you need 2 lines of fishing rod. Okay, so step 1, take the caps off the bearing, see? So it's like this. 2, put the fishing line into the fidget spinner inside here. And then 3, put the caps on again. And then 4, you either take it to your hand or put it in your mouth. Okay, so it's like this. Then like this, you make a flyer. Try not to talk. Right. I'm not gonna get making flyers anyway. So that's how you make your fidget spinner fly. Way to go, guys. Way to go, man. Yeah. I told you to order the crane. Yeah, and I didn't. See you guys later.